How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be my final on the Vauxhall Viva HA. But before we get this video going, I want to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. My channel, I'll never ask you for nothing but just support and support everybody in our modeling community on YouTube. That's all I ask for, guys. That's it. Appreciate you. Appreciate each and every one of you. All right. Now, with that being said, I want to thank everybody that has participated in the second annual small scale group build hosted by BG and me. Really appreciate y'all. Very, very nice turnout. Not quite as big as last year, but very big. Still a big turnout, guys. And if you're watching my video and you're listening to this and I have not commented on your video, if you put a video out, please contact me, or in the description below, y'all just tell me, hey, get over there and watch your video. There's been so many people. I'm finding people all the time, and it's hard to keep up with. I had a list of everybody, and I can't find it nowhere, guys. So help me out. And if I have not got to your video, please, I want to get to it and see what you gotten done, guys. But with that being said, thank you all. Me and Brian, we love putting this group build on. I love small scale. Brian loves small scale. I like putting as much detail into a small vehicle as I do a 124 or bigger, or 125, whatever, you know the deal. I absolutely love it. I find it challenging but fun, and this is what it's all about, is to have fun, guys. It's all about fun. It don't matter if it's a little snap together to whatever. Just have fun. Just have fun with it. That's what it's all about. Well, y'all see the box here. This is the Airfix. I don't know if you can see the whole box. It's the Airfix 3-car set. It's like a classic car collection series. You got a Triumph in there. You got the Escort MK1 and the Vauxhall. Well, I've got the Vauxhall built, and I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to put the Vauxhall up here and show y'all what I've gotten done. You ready for it? You ready for it? Let me move this camera. Let me adjust this camera. Voila. There she is. Look how small that thing is. Let me see if I can adjust this camera back a little bit more, guys. I'm sorry. I probably should already had this stuff done. But I'm going to get another vehicle here. I'm going to get a model. Let's see. Let me find a 124 scale or 25 scale kit. Let's see. Let me find one, guys. I'm sorry. Let's throw this old Johan up here for size comparison. Let's do this. Look at that. 125th, 132nd. That is a small car. Let me move that on out of the way. That's not what we're here to see. Let's give you a little look around here. I chromed everything. All this stuff. Let me see if I can't find something to point with, guys. Boy, I should have got my stuff together, shouldn't I? Don't get mad at me. Look at this. A little fuzzy thing. Alright, you can see here I chromed the hubcaps, chrome foiled the chrome. Now around the windows and stuff like that, I just used a silver marker. I could have probably polished those windows out a little bit better, but you know, it is what it is. I put carpet in it, and I will have a few of the still pictures behind this, probably showing the carpet and everything I've done to it. And as y'all know, this car here, it was a curbside kit, no engine, so I put an engine in it, and I also had to make the, let me get this off the stand. You can't, I don't know if you can see it in there, the lighting. I had to make the door panels in quarter panels in there. I had none, which I'll probably show a video of my, or the behind this, and see, I got hairs all over it. Thing's filthy. I've had it done for about a week now. I black washed the grill. I chromed the grill. I black washed it. Let's turn this thing over here. You can see the I didn't do no weathering or nothing on this thing. The wheels actually do turn. But yeah, there's not a lot to it. I mean, it's just a itty bitty old car. Let y'all get a good little look there. The little emblems back there, I just did a little marker. Let's see. But here's the meat and the potatoes of it all, guys. I scratch built everything in there. Every bit of it. I wired it. I don't know if you can see the wires real good or not. It's wired. The coil wire's wired up. It has upper radiator hose. Boy, you ain't gonna be able to see it very good. It's got upper radiator hose, bottom radiator hose. You can't see in there. Let's see. The battery's wired up. The heater hoses are wired up. You can see coming out of the heater core thing there, one on each side. One goes down to the block. One goes to the other side of the block. There you go, guys. That is it. You can't see in the interior. Like I said, I will have to leave pictures. I did put a little black wash in there. Like I said, chrome the hubcaps, chrome the bumpers, chrome the grill, everything I had to chrome. This glass is the way it comes. See how it looks like that? I mean, it's not really scratched up. It's just, I guess, the way the glass was molded or something. A wheel come off. Like I said, it still rolls, so it just go right back on there. Let y'all get a little look around there, guys. I'm sorry I'm not real animated and stuff like some people. This is what you get. She's done. She was fun. And man, that's really all I got for her. She's itty bitty. She might be little, but she sure is awesome. Let me tell you. She was fun to build. Look at that, guys. How many people do you know scratch build an engine for a curbside 132 scale car? Not very many people. It's not 3D printed. It's resin casted. It's all my own work. It was fun to do, guys. Very fun to do. Go check out everybody that's been in the group build, guys. Lots of good builds. And the guys, if I haven't got to you, please comment. I need to get to you because there's so many. It's hard to find everybody. Like I said, I had a list. And by God, I rearranged this room in here and everything, and I can't find it for nothing. So, all right, guys. Thank you very much. Stick around, and I'll leave some pics behind. So, all right. Bye.